Hello and welcome to episode 22 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We're going to go over our demolition that's been going on the main level today. That's what we're talking about today. First of all, if you remember the bookshelf cabinet that was over here by the stairs, that has been completely ripped out, and we're going to extend the stairs right there so it's not some kind of awkward little thing. My husband was not a fan of it. I could take it or leave it, so we decided to go ahead and get rid of it. All of the paneling has been taken down. The insulation is still there on this side, but on this side, all the insulation has been torn out, and that is still nice, big, open, in preparation for the kitchen that will be going right there. And that paneling will be taken down as well. We're talking about the builder suggested doing shiplap in between these right here, and that should be pretty. Let's move over here. We've had the subfloor put down since then. Fun times. The cat is meowing at me because he knows I'm right here. And here is the foyer, the future foyer. Isn't that pretty? Doesn't that look nice? All kinds of shambles. All the insulation, or not all of it, but a lot of insulation has been torn down, so it's pretty chilly up here. And then this door, or this wall, has been framed for the bedroom that's right here. And I'm trying to figure out what's going to happen with this closet here, how wide and how deep that closet is going to be. So, moving down here, nothing else has happened in the laundry room or in this room, but we did get the glass up for our shower, which is really cool. Check that out. Oh, and we have a light. So there's that glass that separates, and it'll be totally open. A nice big spacious shower. So that is it for today's update. Not a whole lot going on, but next time we'll hopefully have some more stuff going on for you, and we can take a look at the basement because the backsplash is almost done in the kitchen, and the bathroom down there has also been updated. So see you next time.